Yo, oh man, love it. First time here. Are you looking for quick flip deals, less than 2-year holds, or do you look for up and coming areas and invest long term?
Yeah, that's a great question because you can find the areas that are the best up and coming and their tax deed sales are brutal or they've got too much competition. So usually what we're looking for first is a place that you can find good deals because that's not everywhere. And but it also would be it depends on your strategy, right? And so if you're looking to flip something, you need to get it at a pretty steep discount. And that's where you have to be more selective. But if you are looking for a long-term hold, then you can afford to actually pay a little bit more for a property. And so it really just depends on your exit strategy. For us, we've had rentals in the past. We've done quick flips. We've held stuff. Often when we go back and we look at the stuff that we sold quickly, we go back and we look at what it's worth now, and we're like, oh, maybe that would have been great to hold. So it really just depends on your exit strategy. And obviously, I think a lot of people think that owning rentals is like sexy and easy, but that's not always the case. It's like, how much stress are you looking for in your life?
There you go. That's follow-up question. What about a vacation destination? Yeah. It depends on how much basically stress you want to take on. Yes, they can be profitable, but I can guarantee you you're going to have to rehab it probably, and then you're going to have to deal with renting out. And that's some people's jam. If people want to do that, like go for it. Just know that it's going to be a job for you to run that thing. Even if you get a rental company, there's still going to be issues. And if you're okay with that, that's great. Do it. People make a lot of money doing that. You just have to make sure you have a good team on your side, or else it's going to be a complete nightmare, which we can say because we've had plenty of rental properties where we try to get other people to do it for us, to be other rental property managers, and it is chaos. Because we didn't
Not
have
always.
not
Sometimes,
always.
yeah.
Yeah, not always. But like there are good people out there who can do a great job. But if you find the wrong ones, then it can be pretty rough out there. So just keep that in mind. Simon, welcome back. Good to see you. Yeah, Jay says he's probably best to help us sell. Okay, cool. Sweet. Yeah, shoot us a message if you want in the Tax Lien School. We can help. We can chat more about that. Oh yeah, and Big Daddy. Oh, welcome back, Big Daddy Hubcaps. That's great. Some city ordinances won't allow short-term rentals. Very true. Got to keep that in mind. Can you go to Florida? Okay, sorry, we're burning through these, but the initial purchase price is usually the biggest barrier. I don't know if
Yeah.
that's always. Is it? You think?
Yeah, usually. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, depending on yeah, the competition. I think the competition can be one of the biggest barriers. And so it depends on exactly like what your exit strategy is. And so I think the bulk of the people who watch our channel are looking to get into this business. They're looking to flip something. They're looking for not much friction. They just want to buy something, potentially not have to evict whoever's living there. Just buy something and then, sell it as quickly as possible and not do a remodel. And so if that is the exit strategy, your competition may be locals who have their own like contracting company who are happy to do the work and they're actually willing to pay a higher price than you. Because for you, you may need to actually sell it to those individuals, to the contractors, and make a profit and accommodate their profit. And so that's where your max bid is going to be a little bit stricter. And so that's where, you've got to find places where there's even more opportunity. Yeah, for the person who's going to fix it up themselves, they can afford to pay a little bit higher price, especially if they're local, they have teams and they have people that they trust and they've been doing it, for so long. So that's where it's helpful to look at previous data, what property previously sold for and see if there's deals there.
Nice. Sweet.